This machine is designed for bakery factory for toast bread fully automatic packaging purpose. Machine includes a bread slicer to cut toast bread blocks into slices, a multifunction filling and sealing unit to push products into premade bag and sealing it. Super efficient, no manual loading, better hygienic condition. Full servo driven, touch screen operation panel, easy for operation, speed is up to 40 packs per minute. The filling and wrapping unit are also suitable for packaging white bread, mixed bread, rye bread, long loaf, etc.